Brothers Bistro. Recipes so simple, even a dude can make it.
Hey, buddy! Check out my costume!
Did you die and go to heaven on the fire? Wait. I got mine now.
If you can't tell, we're just coming off of our national debut. Who's the good guy and who's the evil twin? It's for you to figure out.
We're getting ready to air this thing at 9 o'clock on a Halloween night. So if you haven't checked it out, make sure you tune in. But we're actually here for a better reason. Well,
really?
Not a better reason, but a different reason, right? We got to celebrate. We got over 260 YouTube subscribers.
Well, we got like 1,450 Facebook
crushing
followers.
it on Facebook, right?
And check out my new glass. I got one that says, cheese it up.
Cheese it up, baby. And we're going to get ready to cook up a storm here. This one's a super easy one-pot wonder. It's a 20-minute skillet blackened shrimp.
It was like 20 minutes in the market, maybe, and 20 minutes of prep. I mean, it's really quick.
And super simple. Not a lot of ingredients. And when we come back, we're going to have the ingredients all splayed out for you so you can see what's what, and we'll get started.
That's right. Make sure when you're watching us,
hit the post notifications. Give us a thumbs up. Turn on the notifications.
What? And hit the subscribe.
Oh, that's it. Hit the subscribe.
All right, we're going to be back in a jiffy. Hang tight.
See you in a bit. Okay, buddy.
Hey, I'm looking at it. I think it meets the criteria.
Is it passing the test?
It's few ingredients. Simple to do. Right. So we got to walk them all through it.
We got some really great product placements here too. Right?
What?
Some like secret sauce items, right?
We still haven't heard from McCormick's. I'm not even sure if we should even be pursuing this anymore.
Well, we got to keep working for it. Okay, so the first thing you got to know is this shrimp, right? It's a lot of shrimp. 7 ounces of shrimp per serving.
It looks like we still got. You still left a tail in there, buddy.
Oh, my brother left another tail on.
Now, you left a tail in there.
There is a thing. We got these shrimp cooked already, so we don't even have to cook them. Really, all we got to do in the pan is warm them. But you can get uncooked shrimp, but you want to make sure you get the deveined and peeled variety, right?
That's right. And you just pinch off the tail when you run a little bit of water through it. It's actually just tepid water, and then that kind of thaws it out pretty quickly, and then you just pull the tails off, and you set it in there, and then we're literally, like you said, we're going to put it in a pan, we're going to put a rub on it.
The rub is the McCormick's, are you listening? It's the Louisiana Cajun seasoning.
We're losing our patience for this product placement.
We're going to have to look for another seasoning company.
Yeah.
Although when you're in the grocery store, you think that's all there is. You don't see anybody else. And so we got the Cajun seasoning, the salt, and olive oil. We're going to make a little rub, and we're going to mix up the shrimp with those things to kind of season them.
Right. And then I'm going to do the green. I'm going to have this is a flash frozen veggies. So again, we don't like chopping and dicing and slicing.
Yeah.
This is all sliced and diced for you. It costs like $1.50, and it all comes good. This is the whole bag. It's going to feed 2 people.
14
Plenty
ounces,
of greens,
good to go.
and we're going to put it in here with the olive oil. We're going to chop up. Now, if you didn't know, green onions are the regular name for shallots.
Yeah.
Because you're just gonna cut a little bit of this off here, and it's gonna go in with it. It was a little bit beyond me when we were looking for this, but it is what it is. And then at the end, we're gonna garnish it.
Yeah.
A little bit of avocado.
Right.
And so we're gonna take the pit out of there and pull a little bit out, and then some cheese.
We gotta cheese it up. So we're gonna actually start in reverse order, though. We're gonna start with the shallots and the peppers, and we're gonna make those happen, and then we're gonna move those aside a little bit in the pan, and then we're gonna add in the shrimp with the rub and all that. So when we come back,
we'll have it all ready for them.
We're gonna be ready to go.
It's a one-pot wonder.
That's right.
Right.
That's how fast this is.
So hang tight with us. We will be right back and show you that finished product.
I can't wait.
Wow.
See how easy that was, bro?
That cooked up pretty good.
Yeah. So, and it's colorful, right?
It's only missing one thing.
A little
maybe
cheese?
Maybe two things.
Let's cheese it up.
All right, let's do it. All right, got a lot of cheese. Got extra cheese. And how about some avocado?
A little avocado. So we're gonna have like half of a half, right? You're gonna have half of the avocado.
I think that's quarter in math. Ken's the math guy.
Yeah, yeah. But that's a healthy fat. Avocado is a healthy fat, and we want to make sure you get enough, but not too much.
Right. It's good for you. It helps you feel full. It helps with the digestion and stuff too. You know, kind of a thing. So it's good. It's all good stuff.
That's me.
All right.
All right. So let's taste it, huh?
Drag it over, buddy.
Okay. Here goes. I'm going in.
You are?
You can stab these ones.
I'm gonna stab them. I got a little avocado. Well,
good.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Right?
Super simple.
Yeah. Yeah, super simple.
I mean, shrimp can be a little pricey. My brother was complaining about how pricey the shrimp can be, but it's a really lean meat. Super healthy.
This particular recipe could be a little spicier if you like it spicy.
Right.
We could have put more Cajun seasoning on it because we want to make it simple. We didn't want to have a whole bunch of different ingredients. But literally 20 minutes maybe of shopping and 20 minutes of prep.
one pot to do the whole thing. I mean, it was literally one pot wonder. So
cool.
Check this out. If you get a chance to try it, put something in the comments so we know you checked it out and let us know what you think.
That's right. And make sure you turn on the post notifications. Smash up the like.
Hit the subscribe button.
Yep. And we will be back the next time. Before you know it, Brothers Bistro out.